Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with a video for you. On this video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you how to uninstall Steam. So if you don't know what Steam is pretty much a feature that allows you to pretty much have games and stuff on your computer. This is not only just for Windows, they pretty much have these, if I'm correctly, for Macs and probably for Linux too. And it's a great, cool system, but if you've been having problems and this program keeps crashing, or you're just not a big fan that doesn't want to be paying for games anymore for Steam, even though you probably already purchased it and you can keep it, or let's say you got this installed on a computer that you didn't want this to be installed on here, then we understand. We're pretty much going to be showing you how to uninstall this program. So let's go ahead and get started. So first to do is pretty simple, just go to Start. And from that point, go ahead and select Settings. Once you get to there, go ahead and select Apps. And let the applications to load up. And once you get to there, you're going to scroll down until you see Steam. And here is Steam right there. From that point, go ahead and select the uninstall. And it tells us that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and select it. And you'll probably be prompted. Go ahead and press Yes. And it'll pretty much take you to this location. Now, in an odd reason, I know this unusual that this happens, but if it does come to a point that if you go to regular settings and you're not see Steam installed here, there's still another color options that you can do. So what you can also do is go to Start and in the search bar just type in Steam, and if you have that part there, you can go ahead and right click on it and select uninstall, and it'll take us to this route underneath the programs and features underneath the control panel. And pretty much here is Steam. You'll select it and press uninstall, and you'll pretty much come up to the same location right here. If another reason doesn't want to show up there, then pretty much just go ahead and just type in control panel. I just typed in control, then you'll see programs and features, and then from that point you'll see Steam, same location, press uninstall, and it'll take us to this location right here. And that's pretty much where we're continuing from this point. Once you get to here, you'll pretty much select uninstall, and it's going to delete anything that's pretty much got installed on this computer. Tells you more details if you want to know what the files were. It's up to you. And it tells us the file is completed, and that is pretty much it. Depending on your computer, it might prompt you to restart it if you had anything in use. If it does prompt you to restart or tells you to restart before you do this, go ahead and follow those procedures too, and you should be good, and everything should be alright. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.